Welcome! It is week 6. Oh my Lord, it seems like only yesterday our hive was an infant hive and now we're 6 weeks old. And this is our 6th edition of What's the Buzz with Miss Hardy and Miss Arugio. Important dates, just want to let parents and our kids know that homecoming is next week. And they're having a dance on Saturday, October the 13th from 8 to 10:30. They're going to start selling tickets next Thursday during lunches. So just giving you a heads up about that because I know that we'll wait till Friday until I want to go to the dance. Giving you a heads up that it starts next Thursday so you'll have an idea about that. We are almost done with Unit 1. Thanks to Hurricane Florence, our mid-assessment was pushed to the end of the unit, but we're going to start that on Thursday and Wednesday and Thursday. We're wrapping up of Mice and Men this Tuesday. And this is what our week looks like. We're going to be in the Media Center on Monday, working on our Mice and Men pathway. The students got that, I think, Friday before last. So they've had that information prior to this last week, which is why they knew which question sets to do and things of that nature. They got a take-home quiz on Friday in class, the last few minutes of class on of Mice and Men, and it is due Monday morning. And while we're in the Media Center, we're going to talk about our unit extension activity. If you'll remember, one of the differences with honors and academics credit level work was an extension assignment, an extra assignment. So we're going to start that on Monday. But also remember that in our hive, everybody's going to be ready and everybody's going to be prepared. So everyone will do something. We'll just differentiate the activity based on the level credit that you have been assigned. Okay? Awesome. If you have any questions, just email us and we'll get back to you. Tuesday, we're going to be working in our classroom on finishing up our Mice and Men pathway. And then Wednesday and Thursday, Wonder Wednesday is, of course, on Thursday during all 3 lunches and after school. We're going to start our poetry analysis with a whole group discussion, completing our TP cast poetry, how we basically take poetry and break it down so that it becomes a part of who we are and what we know, on Langston Hughes' poem Mother to Son. And then on Thursday, we're switching from whole group to small group. Yay. We're going to take what we learned in our TP cast and in our small groups, answer some more in-depth questions and start writing maybe some small tied paragraphs on Mother to Son. And then they're going to be given the mid-assessment poetry analysis is going to be due on Monday. So they have Friday, Saturday, Sunday to get that done. And on Friday, we're starting off with our Unit 2. Very excited. Unit 2 is about identity and culture. Unit 1 was home and family. So now that we have established our hive and everybody's one big happy family, we're going to start talking about who are we as a family and who are you. We're going to talk about identity and culture. I'm very excited for Unit 2. We're going to read the Odyssey and lots of short stories in Unit 2. So look for them bringing things home. It's going to be really good. I'm very excited. Just so you know, don't forget to check the website for copies of this video and anything else in the PDF of our What's the Buzz. In our Google Classroom, I've already placed the vocabulary, the Greek and Latin vocabulary for the rest of the unit, for the rest of the quarter. So week 6, 7, 8, and 9 are already in there. So we should be cooking with gas, okay? I'm very, very excited. I hope everybody had a restful weekend. I look forward to seeing my babies on Monday. Also, don't forget, homecoming is a week after that. So class should not be disrupted overly. I know we're having a pep rally on Friday, the 12th. So that will impact all classes. But we will make adjustments and we'll make sure that everybody gets equal time and we'll work it out. Don't forget, if you are missing school for any reason and you are not making it to tests and to quizzes, you need to make it up. Also, if you notice that you didn't really like your your assessment grade for any of the major assessments we've done, those are grades that you can remediate and try to raise your grade. And we're going to talk about that on Monday. So I'll put out something Also, I mean, of course, I'll do it via Twitter and on our website about the format for that, but it will most likely be coming in either during a lunch and then making up some stuff. But I will make sure that the kids are well aware of what they can do to raise that grade. Okay, I hope everybody had a great weekend. Go Ravens tonight. Yes, beat those Steelers. Yes, yes, yes. So that's what I'm going to be doing at 8:20, yelling and screaming at my TV, as all queen bees do. Have a great, great Sunday, darlings, and I will see my babies in the morning. Bye-bye.